In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a FaceTime video call link to anyone. Whether you're planning a virtual hangout with friends or a professional meeting, having the ability to quickly and easily create a shareable FaceTime link can be incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. To begin, the first step is to open the FaceTime app on your device. If you haven't used it before or it's been a while, you can typically find it by looking for the green icon with a white video camera. Just give that a tap to open it up. Once the app is open, you'll notice various options on the screen, but what we're looking for is right at the top. You're going to want to tap on the option labeled Create Link. This feature allows you to generate a shareable FaceTime link. It's a straightforward but powerful tool that will streamline your ability to connect with others. After tapping Create Link, the link will be generated almost instantly. Now comes the part where you decide how to share it. Depending on your preference or the platform your recipient prefers, you can either copy the link or share it directly. The app allows you to send it via messages, email, or even social media. This flexibility means you can reach out through the channels most convenient for you and your contacts. While these 3 steps will get you up and running, FaceTime also offers a couple of optional features to personalize the experience further. If you like, you can set additional details for the call. Although not required, it can be a nice way to keep things organized, especially if you have a lot of links floating around. One more thing you can do before wrapping up is to tap on Add Name, which allows you to personalize the call link. Giving your FaceTime link an identifiable name can help both you and your guests know precisely what the call is about, making it especially useful for categorizing meetings or keeping track of multiple calls at once. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create and send a FaceTime video call link to anyone. The beauty of using FaceTime links is the convenience it offers for your virtual communication needs. From coordinating with colleagues to catching up with family, this feature enhances your ability to connect effortlessly. So next time you need to make a video call, remember how simple it is to set up and share a FaceTime link. Thanks for tuning in and happy connecting.